Welcome to the Fixit channel, and this is the quick video for anybody that wants to download the Windows 10 April 2018 update, wants to upgrade their machines. If you're on Windows 10, well, you can actually do it right now through this web page. It actually is available. So if you click first of all, I'll post the link in the description below the video. If you click the link and you'll come to this page, you can click the Update Now button right here. This will actually do everything you need to upgrade to the latest version. If you want, you can also clean install by using the download tool here. The download tool is the tool that you can use to actually have your system be either do a clean install or upgrade your installation media, basically. There's, if you do a DVD or USB thumb drive, you have the installation media that you can actually create using this. You can download the image of the latest version. I recommend, if you have installation media, upgrade all of that. Even today, even if you don't upgrade right now to the April 2018 update, update your installation media so next time you do a clean install, or if you need to do a clean install for some reason, you'll have the latest update on that DVD or USB thumb drive. And of course, you use this assistant, this download tool, to do this. Now, if you are waiting for it, and I do recommend that people wait for it, by the way, okay? You might want right now, and if you do, go for it. But I always recommend for people to wait for it. So here, you'll have create the installation media or USB. You choose your version that you want, or by default, it will choose it by the machine that you have. You can, do the USB flash drive or download an image of April 2018 update, which I believe I will do right now to have the latest image available for me. So if you are, careful, if you don't, want to rush things, and I think that's the best thing to do, well, you can wait for that to arrive next week through the Windows updates. So it's going to start rolling out to everybody starting May the 8th, Tuesday next week. That's where we're going to have all of this. So hope that you enjoy our videos and enjoy the latest version of Windows 10 April 2018 update, available right now. Just check for the link in the description below the video and upgrade if you wish. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.